Introducing the Product Creation Toolkit, Mastering IT Product Management, your ultimate guide to success. Designed for IT product owners, chief product officers, IT business analysts, and aspiring product managers, this ebook is packed with powerful tools and insightful templates. Imagine having a toolkit that streamlines your workflows and enhances your project management practices. The Product Creation Toolkit offers exactly that. With digital downloads at your fingertips, you'll access knowledge that industry leaders rely on. Don't miss out on the opportunity to stay ahead of the curve. Join the ranks of successful IT product managers. Get your copy of Product Creation Toolkit, Mastering IT Product Management, today and transform your approach to product management. Elevate your expertise, streamline your projects, and achieve excellence. Grab your copy now. Success is just a click away.